Hey guys, welcome back to Diecast Files. Today we have got the 2025 Hot Wheels Boulevard Mix 4 from the Hot Wheels Premium lineup. Let's quickly go through what we are gonna unbox. First is the 77 Pontiac Firebird TA. Next is the Mitsubishi Pajero Evolution. Next will be the 80 Mercedes-Benz 500 SLC Ralllye. And the second last will be 94 Nissan Primera. And last but definitely not the least will be the 95 Lamborghini Diablo SV. Let's get started. We will be starting off with the 77 Pontiac Firebird TA. Let me quickly unbox this. I must say, this is a very good set launched by Hot Wheels. All of them are really good cars. Definitely I think you guys should aim to get one. Here's the 77 Pontiac Firebird TA. The wheels roll smoothly. The sides are pure white, not much details. This is the front of the car. Of course this is a premium lineup, so we have beautifully printed headlights from the top. This is the Firebird emblem, right? Or sometimes people say that this is the Phoenix. Again, it varies based on what you want to say. To me it looks more like a Phoenix, I will say. But yeah, that's it. Here's the top details. Here's the back. In the rear you can see, right, the headlights are painted beautifully, and also you have the number plate which says Hot Bird. And you can see the 4 exhausts. Overall, beautiful looking car, I must say. It looks really good. I always wanted a Pontiac Firebird. I saw the Tomica Premium in black, but I did not like the wheels of it. So glad that Hot Wheels launched the premium one. Also, if you guys remember, there is a mainline one in the N case. Definitely go for this. As we all know, this is a premium, right? So yeah, this has a metal base. The base is nicely detailed, looks really good. And if you see, the wheels also has threading. Definitely these are rubber wheels, of course. Again, premium lineup, right? And also if you see, the front one is narrower than the rear one. Overall, a very beautiful looking car. Definitely have it. This is a good one. Into the next one. This is the Mitsubishi Pajero Evolution. Let me unbox this quickly again. The color combination looks really nice. It really pops. The white, red and the gray and the black looks really good. The wheels roll really smoothly. Again, this is a premium lineup, so of course the tires are made of rubber. And as you can see, it says Rallyard and Evolution on the sides. Let's check out the front. Here we have the beautiful Mitsubishi logo, the printed headlights. Looks really nice. The look really stands out. On the bonnet or on the hood, again we have the Rallyard branding and the tampos. Looks really good. And also guys, if you note that there is a kind of a tinting on the windscreen, which is again a really nice touch. This is the top. Do we have an antenna here? Yes, we have an antenna here. Looks nice. Here's the rear of the car, and as you can see, again we have the Mitsubishi logo, and it says Super Select. And it's a 4-wheel drive. It's mentioned that as well. Again, we have the number plate here and the Pajero logo here, and the rear lights are again printed nicely. Overall, it looks beautiful. The mirrors are also there. Of course, there is no reflective material on the mirror. It's just like that. And let's check out the rear. And the rear, of course, is made of metal. Not much details for this one compared to, let's say, the Firebird, right? The wheels have threading. Looks nice. Overall, again, this is a nice one. Add it to your collection if you can. I remember when I was a kid going to school, I used to see the Mitsubishi Pajero one. Of course, not the rally version, but for the normal customers, I used to see one every day going to school. So I really wanted this one in my bag. Let's move on to the next one. Guys, if you are enjoying this video, drop a like to this video. It really motivates me to make more such content. Okay, now coming on to the 94 Nissan Primera. Let me unbox this. This is another good one, I must say. Okay, right off the bat, you can see the metal flex, right? It makes it really look good. And if you're following my channel, you know that I love cars with metal flex paints. Looks really nice, and this has lot of sponsorships and all. So we can already see the Bridgestone and the Castrol logo. We also see the Nismo branding as well. And towards the end, we can see the Nissan Primera logo as well. Let's check out the front. Okay, on the front again we have the Bridgestone logo. Looks nice. There's a red mark here. I am not sure what that is. Guys, let me know in the comment section if you're aware what this red colored thing is. Okay, and the printed headlights are there, and the Nissan logo is also there. On the bonnet, we have again Castrol, the car number 94, and the hot racing text. I must say the hood looks really good in this light. The metal flex makes it really stand out. Okay, we have the Primera text as well on the windscreen, and okay, there's wiper detail as well. Okay, here's the hot racing logo again. Looks the same. The wing is made of plastic, guys. So this red wing that you see, right? So it is made of plastic, not of metal. A slight bummer. They could have given it of metal, but anyway. Here's the rear. Okay, we have the Castrol logo and the Nissan text, Bridgestone, and the 94 car number. Again, the rear lights are printed nicely. There's no separate number plate detail, but yeah, it is what it is. Okay, do we have the exhaust? Yes, we have the exhaust as well here. And the bottom of the car. Okay, again, not much details. Again, I will say the Pontiac Firebird had the most number of details when I look at the, when I compare the base out of all the cars I unboxed in this Boulevard series. And also, if you notice, guys, there is no tire treading as well in this one. So they have cut some corners with this. Again, rolls really nicely, rubber tires as well. And if you see, there's a white roll cage inside. So the interior has been kept completely white. They could have added some details, I guess, some color. But again, the white does not look bad. Overall, again, beautiful casting. I'm pretty sure many of you want to get your hands on this one. Let's check out the next one. Slowly and steady, we are coming on to the big boys of this Boulevard 2025 Mix 4 collection. Here we have the Mercedes-Benz 500 SLC Ralllye. Let me unbox this. Guys, while I unbox this, subscribe to my channel if you love Hot Wheels. Okay, so this one also has metal flex, if you guys can see, similar to the Primera one, but I think the metal flex in this one are smaller in size compared to that. Okay, so we have the Motul logo and the car number 80, and towards the back we have the tire branding as well, the Goodyear and BBS. I don't know what BBS is, guys. Let me know if you're aware of it. I am not. Okay, I will say this is a beautiful looking Mercedes, guys. If you're a fan of it, definitely try to get your hands on this one. The wheels roll really smoothly. Checking out the front. Okay, we have the number plate detail here. So it says the Ralllye SLC. The headlight details are printed nicely. Of course, these are not acrylic inserts, but it like Hot Wheels has done a great job on this one. Definitely looks real. On the hood, okay, so we have not much details here. We have the wiper details, and on the top we have the driver number again and the motor text. Okay, so as you can see, guys, so there's a small paint chip on mine. Sucks, but again, can't do much. So there are minor paint chips, right? Yes, here you can see it quite clearly. Again, can't do much. Okay, towards the back we have the Ralllye SLC logo again and the twin exhausts. Again, the rear headlights are done beautifully as well. This is a very good one. And the roll cage, okay, we have a silver finish roll cage matching the color of the car. And just a small bit of history. So I think this was Mercedes' last rally championship entry, and this car won the first place and second place, if I'm not wrong. This is a beautiful car. And okay, as you can see, the the cover of this wheel, right? So it is wider, gives it a wide body look. Okay, here's the rear of the car. Of course, the metal base has nice details on the bottom. Nice job. Still, I think the Pontiac has more, or at least it is closer to that metal one. And the rubber tires as well. Again, no treading on this one, similar to the Nissan Primera. Overall, a nice looking car. Sucks that mine has this paint chip, this paint defect. Let's move on to the next one. I was going to move on to the next one, but I found more details in this car. Guys, did you notice this metal rim, the metal bumper in front? This adds a very nice touch to this car, right? So this number plate as well has that metal encasing. Looks really good. Of course, the Mercedes logo looks nice. Definitely it looks nice, but this metal bumper really makes it look more beautiful. And this is true for the rear as well. So as you see, the rear bumper is also made of metal. A beautiful touch to this Mercedes Hot Wheels. Now let's finally move on to the next one. Finally, we have come to the main attraction of this 2025 Boulevard Mix 4 series, that is the Lamborghini Diablo SV. Let me unbox this. Guys, again, I will say that if you are really enjoying this video, like this video and also subscribe to my channel for more such content. Okay, so we have this in a beautiful yellow color. On the sides we can see the SV. SV stands for Super Veloz, which basically means that this is a super first edition of this car, in case you did not know. Not much details other than this. Let's check out the front. Okay, looks really nice. The old Lamborghini look, right? Looks really nice. Of course, this is from the 1995 one, so yeah, looks really good. We have the fog lights as well, the indicators, and the small Lamborghini logo. Let me zoom in. Yes, minor detail, guys, but yes, Hot Wheels have made sure that they have added that. Okay, we have the wiper details. The plastic has quite a few scratches, again minor, but kind of bothers me. Okay, we have the air intake here towards the back. Looks nice. And the wheels, guys, yes, rolls really nicely. And I'm pretty sure you have understood by now, the rear wheel, right, has more depth to it than the front one. And here's the wing. Again, this is a plastic wing, similar to what we had for the Nissan Primera. This is the rear of the car, guys. Again, printed printed backlights. Looks nice. And we have the exhaust system painted. Overall, a beautiful looking car. Definitely, if you're looking for the Lamborghini Diablo from Hot Wheels, this is the one to get. And I'm pretty sure many of you are Need for Speed fans, right? Many of you are. Definitely, I am one of them. So if you are one of those guys, you should definitely get it. And also we have the mirrors in this model. Let's check out the base. Okay, of course the base is made of metal, has less details, of course, not much. The front wheel is narrower than the rear ones. Again, beautiful casting. So guys, let me then stack them up side by side. So guys, this was the Hot Wheels 2025 Boulevard Mix 4 from the Hot Wheels Premium series. Usually I don't go for the entire set because all of them are not that good, but in this case I will say that Hot Wheels has done an excellent job in making these castings, and definitely you should go for them. Guys, let me know in the comment section which one are you looking to get. Are you looking to get all of them or only few of them? Let me know in the comment section. That's all from this video. See you guys in the next one.